As an entrepreneur myself, the first steps in small changes that I had to make and to be mindful of it, because I can get all absorbed into a full day and not realize what's happening. Small things like when I go and make my coffee, I will have a quick fitness routine. So as long as it takes for that kettle to boil, I will have an activity that I do. Or if I'm on the phone, if the phone call rings, I won't be seated on that. I will walk around with that conversation. In the morning when I wake up, as I'm going to brush my teeth, there are my supplementation all ready to go. It's the small things about being prepared, and it doesn't take long to be prepared. Making sure that I've packed myself a nutritious meal, so when I go at 3 o'clock and have that sugar rush, which we all have at about 3 or 4 o'clock, where you go grab a snack bar or a quick sugary drink, finding an alternative to that, it really gets you through a rough patch, and it can re-energize you to carry on going if that's what you want to do.